Do you need to replace the motherboard on your Inspiron 7430 2-in-1? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. I also recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Now unscrew and slide out the bracket and 2230 solid-state drive. Then unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi antenna bracket. Next, disconnect the antenna cable. Now slide out the Wi-Fi card. Next, unscrew and remove the battery. Now unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the input-output board cable. Next, unscrew and disconnect the cooling fan. Next, unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the keyboard cables. Then unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the touchpad cable. Then unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the LCD cables. Now unscrew and lift up the right LCD hinge. Now unscrew and remove the heatsink. Then unscrew and remove the motherboard. Before replacing your heatsink, it's important to wipe away any old thermal paste from your CPU and heatsink. Note, for maximum cooling of the processor, do not touch the heat transfer areas on the heatsink and CPU. The oils on your skin can reduce the heat transfer capability of the thermal paste. Then apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU before replacing your heatsink. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.